Every day in Excel, we run into problems that we've already solved, but we have to repeat ourselves over and over and over again. In those situations, we should be creating macros to automate the process. As you can see up here at the top of the screen, I've got a tab called the Developer tab. And on that tab, all I have to do is press the Record Macro button if I want to do something like cleaning up this data right here. Then, after I record myself doing it once, the next time that I get a data dump from one of these clients, I can take that macro, I can put it onto my quick access toolbar, or you can see here, I've actually put together a client macros tab up here. And I just went ahead and put a macro called clean up data right there on the ribbon. I can click on this, and you see that right there? That's not a camera trick. It really only took 1/4 of a second here for it to remove empty rows and columns, for it to format the number values, for it to do a lot of things for me that I would have necessarily taken several minutes to clean up. Or let's say that you created a template for expenses that your clients use all the time. Watch how fast I can create a pivot table and a pivot chart. If I've already written up a little custom macro that generates those things, I can click on to my Generate Expenses button. And again, that's not a camera trick right here. It really did create a pivot table and a pivot chart in about 1/4 of a second that I can now send out as a PDF to one of my clients. If you want to learn how to create these macros and then roll them out to the rest of your team, you should absolutely attend our webinar next week. I think you'll really get a ton of value out of it.